Hi, I'm the Tinkerer. The most important thing you can do is press that button right there, the subscribe button. Hello, today me and Kigo, Super Dog, is going to show you how to By the way, I wanted to make a special shout out and thank you to F150forum.com who helped me with this installation, especially with the wiring. The next step is to make sure that we can find the reverse line that powers the reverse light, so that way when you go in reverse it turns the backup camera on into your double dead. So here's where the reverse wire is going to be at. It's a black with a pink stripe, and it's behind the passenger kick panel, which is right here. To get there, you're going to have to pull up this molding, just like that. Just all you have to do is you yank it up. It's just by clips. You can see here is the wire going all to the back, and we're going to pull this kick panel out, okay? And then we're going to look here. Well, one of the hardest things about putting this camera is that we're going to have to drive a wire from here to the back to where the camera is at.
Down over there.
Okay, so what I did is that we're going to have to take this out, and then I found a way through here, up through here. It comes up right here. I can come right through here and come to the back where the back of the radio is going to be. So just follow me through as I try to do this. Okay, so what I found is I go to the bottom. There's a space here that I can go through. Look. Then up through the back, and then through here, and now I have access to the back of the radio where they're going to be connected. So now it's a matter of going through and finding a way to the back of the camera. Alright, so what we're doing is finding a way back there. It looks like we're going to be able to find a nice way to hide it underneath the carpet. Since this is going to be my son's truck, he'll be the one having to do all the work. Let's see how he's lining it behind. And what we're going to choose to do is, once we get this all hidden, there's a little rubber hole right there that we are going to go through and then go underneath the car. Okay, found a rubber cover that I'm going to drill through that I can put the wire through to get to the inside. Through.
It's through.
Now we're shoving that through the hole that we just drilled. Okay, we're shoving the and keep going. Alright, with a little work, it comes right through. Well, definitely for an F50 truck, we have all of it finally coming out, but I don't believe we're going to have enough wire to go all the way to the end, but let's see. And then I think we're going to have to splice it and add more wire. But so through here we've decided to go through this hole so we can have wire zip ties. Then it comes across to the other side, and we're basically going to follow the frame all the way down as far as we can go and see where it can go. I still have a belief that we are probably going to have to add probably another 10 foot. So right now we're just going to go ahead and put this before we zip tie it. And the way we've done it, that wire is not long enough for an F150. So it looks as though I've still got quite a ways, probably at least another 5 foot to get to the camera. Maybe 3 foot if I'm conservative, but I want to have some extra. You can see there's the camera, so we follow it. So we're going to have to splice this either at the camera end or on that end so we can have the extension.
We have now started to zip tie the wire to the underneath of the car. To the frame of the car. Underneath. As you can see, all the zip ties here to the frame of the car.
Tinkerer here. Had to buy this additional piece because this is not long enough right here. I need to get from here all the way to over here, and I'm missing about, you can see, really just about a foot, but I can't buy in just foot lengths. I got here a 4 foot length. Gonna need to have this adapter, so I put this in just like that, do like this, and then we've now connected to the camera. And with that, we're now going to go ahead and start fixing it up so that way it looks nice and neat. We're also going to go ahead and electric tape this. Okay, so we are on the passenger side rear end, and here is the black end with the pink wire. That is your reverse wire. So that's what I'm going to tap into. I'm going to have to cut that and then solder the wire to it. Here's the final wiring. Electrical tape around the RC plugs. You can see here. Video out. DC. I'm going to go ahead and finish this taping up here. Now that I've completed the wiring to the backup camera, we need to now connect the wiring to the head unit, or the SoundStream double DIN stereo head unit. Alright, so we have here the reverse wire, which we're going to connect to the reverse line, and I'm going to follow the same path through the dashboard that I did right here with the camera video. So I'm just going to follow down here, through here, and then through the bottom. I'm going to go back there, hide it, and then connect it right here. Like we did with the video, we're now putting it in inconspicuous, hiding it, and making it look professional. We don't want that wire anywhere, so we're going to hide it back there. Tape it to the board so that way it doesn't move around. Got the reverse power to the head unit here, and I'm just electrical taping it. We're done there. Yay! Alright, so here it is. You see this gray box, 2 gray boxes. black box back there, and then right here, coming from that gray box, the black box, hope you can see it. I'm gonna zoom in. That black box behind those two gray boxes, come up, yes, thank you. Right there, that black box has the black and purple wire right here. I'm gonna cut that, tap into it, and that's my reverse. Okay? Woo, here's the tinker. Finally just gonna put the final molding in. But I tell you what, this has to be probably one of the most invasive jobs I've done on my F150. Pretty difficult. Gonna have to have some soldering skills. Let me go ahead and show you what that car looks like. Go ahead and turn that on there. That's my beautiful assistant. All right.
Right?
And that's when I put it in reverse. And I put it in park. Put it back in reverse. And then you put it in drive. And this is a tinker. Another job well done. Do it yourself and save money.